Namaskar everyone. I am Dilpris Tiwari from class 12 Humanities, DY International Public School. As a youth of this nation, India, I am going to represent my views under the program organized by the Government of India, that is Viksit Bharat. I am going to highlight some fields in which India has had success so far. India's security system, India's space station, GDP, supersonic trains and transportation system. Also the energy independence. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi said, today the goal of our country is Viksit Bharat, Sashakt Bharat. We cannot stop until this dream of development is fulfilled. India has a great chance to become a developed nation, a rich country with a high quality of a life for everyone because fast money growth. The economy of India is growing very quickly. Will soon be one of the top 3 biggest in the world. Young people power. It has the most young workers globally, which is a massive source of energy for the future. Smart technology. It is leading the world in a digital payments and tax, making the business easy and fast. To achieve this goal, India must focus on giving everyone good jobs, better education, and quality healthcare.
Let's talk about the vision. The vision of Developed India, Viksit Bharat 2047. The vision of Developed India represents the dream of transforming into a prosperous, strong and inclusive nation by the 100th of its independence. The vision focuses on making India self-reliant, technological advanced and globally respected. India aims to become a nation where the citizens have equal opportunities, modern infrastructure, world-class education, a quality healthcare, and a clean environment. The goal is to build a society driven by innovation, digital progresses, and sustainable development. Under this vision, India is aiming to achieve a 10 trillion economy, 100% literacy, and skill development for youth, and leadership in renewable energy and in green technology, a corruption-free and transport government system, a social equality and women empowerment. Last but not the least, a strong global presence in science, defense and in culture. Viksit Bharat 2047 is not just a government initiative. It is a collective mission where every Indian contributes to building a bright and self-reliant future. Only the vision is not important. The important things are the steps should be taken by the nation. First of all, I talk about the current position of India. India today stands as one of the world's most dynamic and rapid growing nation with a population exceeding over 1.4 billion. It has become the 4th largest economy globally and is projected to enter the top 3 by the next decade. The country has achieved significant progress in sectors like technology, infrastructure, defense, healthcare, digital innovation. India is recognized as a global leader in information technology, space research, and renewable energy. Socially and culturally, India continues to be a symbol of diversity and unity. Its democratic framework, strong youth population, and growing startup ecosystem make it powerful emerging force on the world stage. Also in a space-based missile defense, empowered with indigenous defense production and research, and then border security, use of advanced technology for border surveillance, including drone, sensor, and satellite imaging, development of robust infrastructure and fencing. These are one of the most important things to protect the nation and securing their people.
This picture shows us a very good future of India. Viksit Bharat. It means India will have both old and new, super modern buildings next to the simple house and farms, clean power, smart technology. This picture is like a big dream for the India in the year of 2047. It shows what a fully developed India Viksit Bharat will look like. Super modern cities, technology is key, important rules. Also the people power and the most important, the code.
मैं अभिषेक तिवारी कक्षा 12वीं डीवाई इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल का छात्र आप सबके समक्ष आज विकसित भारत प्रोग्राम पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूं, जो कि कुछ इस प्रकार है। विकसित भारत का सपना हर भारतीय का संकल्प आत्मनिर्भरता, नवाचार और समावेशी विकास से बनेगा सशक्त राष्ट्र। विकसित भारत का स्वप्न जागृत हो, में उत्साह की ज्वाला सुलगाएं, आत्मनिर्भरता का नवाचार की क्रांति और समावेशी विकास की गंगा बहाएं। तो आइए एकजुट होकर वह भारत बनाएं जो विश्व को राह दिखाए।
जय हिंद, जय भारत।
धन्यवाद।